Hello, little music adventurer. Welcome to the instrument Wonderland. Have you ever seen an accordion? It's a fascinating instrument that looks like a musical box with buttons and keys. But here's the fun part. You have to stretch and squeeze it to make music. When you press the buttons and move the accordion, it breathes like a dragon and makes happy, lively sounds or soft, dreamy tunes. Some parts sound like a piano, and others feel like a whole band is playing. The accordion is perfect for dances, parties, and magical street performances. It's like carrying a little world of music in your arms. Wouldn't it be exciting to play songs that make everyone smile and dance? Let's give the accordion a try and create some fun music.